So friends, let's start with what actually the target mean strength is. In order to know the practical meaning of target mean strength, you should know what actually characteristic strength actually means. So first of all, just take a cube of M25 grade concrete. What does this means, friend? That it is having a characteristic strength of 25 Newton per mm square. What does that practically mean? If you take 100 cubes of M25 grade concrete, exactly 95 cubes will have a strength of greater than or equal to 25 Newton per mm square, and the remaining 5 cubes may have a strength less than 25 Newton per mm square. It can be anything, like it can be 24, it can be 23, it can be 15, it can be 14, it can be 13. So in order to take into account safety of these 5 cubes, we have a factor that we call partial safety factor. It is actually divided with the strength. So we take it as 1.5 for concrete and 1.15 for steel. Now friends, in order to explain you the target mean strength, assume you have to hit a target with a gun 100 times. Now you are aiming for this point here, but it is obviously not possible to hit 100 times at a single point that you are aiming for. It may be anywhere around the periphery like this, but you won't get exact 100 shots at the same target that you are aiming for. So you can see here the target that you are aiming for is analogous to characteristic strength, and the surrounding points where you are getting the maximum number of hits, it is analogous to target mean strength. And this concept can be very well visualized by normal distribution curve, as you can see here. So this is the target that you are aiming for, but you are getting the maximum number of hits at a point which is somewhere else from the target which you were aiming. So the difference between them is 1.65 times the standard deviation. This is the characteristic strength of concrete, and this is the target mean strength. So friends, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.